Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Born Pretty. I did just open the bag part here because I wasn't sure what it was. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened. Alright, so yes, I did pick 4 items. This one is a cat magnetic gel. Alright, so this is a cat magnetic gel. Oh, look at that, how pretty. It's a silver, oh, it's gorgeous. This is the Omnipotent Cat Gel. Oh, look at that with the rainbow. And then we have a Milky Jelly Gel. So that's the Milky. It's just a Milky White. And then I did get their matte top coat because I never tried it before. So yeah, just the matte top coat. Alright, I'm going to get my swatch sticks ready and we'll go ahead and swatch them. Alright, so we're going to start with the Milky White here. And yeah, you'll see in a little bit, I put this color on the wrong swatch stick, so yeah, but I like this color. It's real pretty and I will be using this in the set I'm going to do. So yeah, I just noticed that the sticker was wrong. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that real quick. So such a very pretty milky white color. I love it. And then this is the Omnipotent Cat Eye, and it's just real pretty. That sparkle is really, really nice. It's got that rainbow shift. I just did one coat. And this is the other cat eye here. This one is so pretty. Look at that. It's like it's got like a bluish silver. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And then I'm just going to show the Milky White up against this black here, the background. Yeah, it's a real pretty color. And then I took this color that I had. It's the CC06. It's this real pretty burgundy color because I wanted to show the cat eyes on top of that. But first I'm going to be using the matte top coat. Alright, so I did the first coat. Now with the second coat, we're going to go ahead and use the magnet. And just try to move the... I'm not very good at the cat eyes. I still got to practice with the magnet, but yeah, it's real pretty. Yeah, you can see a little bit, but look at this mat. Oh my goodness. This mat is just gorgeous. I use this also in my set and I just absolutely love this matte top coat. And then I'm doing the same thing like the other cat eye. I did the one coat and now the second coat. We're going to use the magnet here. And this one, look at right away you can see that the magnet's moving around. I just love this one. It's so pretty. I'm going to be using this one in another set coming up, but I wanted to definitely use that Milky White. Look how pretty that is. Alright, so we're going to use the, this is the Omnipotent Cat Eye, the rainbow effect. We're going to use that on that burgundy color. Just wanted to try something different. But it looked cool on the burgundy though. But yeah, you can see the magnets moving around. Like I said, I just need to practice more with it. I don't do many cat eyes that often. Alright, and then I'm going to be taking the other shade here, like that silver, and I love the way it looked over the burgundy. It looked cool. It kind of changed it to like a purple a purple color. It looked really, really pretty. But yeah, you can see this one. Really good. The little magnets in there. But see how it changes it to like a purple? It looks really cool. Alright, so these are all the colors here. Look at that. You can see like the purpley color. But yeah, I just wanted to try it on like a burgundy background. But look at how it changed the color. It's so cool. I love it. But yeah, look at this color. This is going to be pretty for winter. Like an icy blue color. And then the little rainbow shift in that's really pretty. And then this mat is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that mat. It's so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do for my set and I'll be right back. So this is just a practice nail that I did. I wanted to see how it looked as like the milky look. I won't be putting that much milky on top. But yeah, that was just kind of my little idea that I had. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my UNT Peel Off Base Coat. This one is the air dry peel off base coat. So you just apply, you apply 2 coats, but after each coat you have to let it completely dry for about a minute or so. And then I'm going to go in with my Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, and I'm going to use this to apply my full cover tips. I'm going to show you here on the pinky and the ring finger that I did not put enough, so it didn't go all the way up to the free edge of the nail. So yeah, you really got to kind of get the hang of how much glue to put. Usually I put too much, so that's why I was trying not to put as much. So you need to find, you know, something in the middle. But yeah, you can see it didn't go all the way up. So then for this one, I'll apply a little bit more, and then I'm going to scrape a little more than I was on the other nails. And this one worked a lot better. It went right up to the free edge. So yeah, see, it went right there. Then we just flash cure, and then I do cure my whole hand for 60 seconds. And I already went ahead and filed and buffed the nails. And now I'm going to apply the Born Pretty base coat. And I'm going to put a layer of base coat, and then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with this real pretty color. It's CC04. It came in one of their collections I received last year, but look at this. It's like a, I don't know if you'd call it like a burnt orange or like a marigold orange. I'm not sure, but I just thought it went perfect with the set that I was going to do, just for like a real pretty fall color. And so I will do 2 coats of this color. I'm just going to show 1 coat here. And then I do cure each coat for 60 seconds. I'm just going to go around and clean any gel polish that got on the skin. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing this to the pinky, the index, and the thumb. Yeah, I've had this PR package here for, I think, almost 2 weeks. So I did the unboxing part first, and then the set I just did a few days ago. Because yeah, I just haven't had time. I've been busy with other things and just trying to find time to sit down and actually do it. So yeah, this set's been done already a couple days ago. But now I'm going to go in with the matte top coat, and I just had to use the matte because when I unboxed it and I did it on my little swatch stick, it was just so pretty. So I thought these would look very pretty matte. Look how pretty they look matte. Oh, I just love it. I think fall nails just look so good matte. I just love it. So now we're going to go in with that Milky White. And I'm going to be applying 2 coats to the ring finger and the middle finger. I'm going to cure each coat for 60 seconds. I really love this Milky White. It's just so pretty, and it truly is a Milky White. So yeah, I really like it. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking some alcohol and I'm wiping off that sticky layer, because when I was doing that practice nail, my stickers were not sticking to the tacky layer. They were lifting up, and that's why it looked kind of bumpy when I showed that nail in the beginning, the practice one. So yeah, I went ahead and wiped that alcohol off, and now I'm just going to be placing these fall stickers, just a bunch of different kinds of leaves, just around the nail. Yeah, I got, I think all these ones here are what I got from Nene's Nail Nook when I won her giveaway. I got so many stickers, and yeah, I was like, oh, these are just awesome, just in time, because yeah, I love all these stickers, and I wanted to use just a variety of different colors. But yeah, I think it just looks so cute against that Milky White. I was going for kind of, you know, like the milk bath, but I didn't really have any dried flowers that were fall dried flowers, so I just thought, you know, I'm going to use stickers. So yeah, and this little sunflower too, I thought was really cute, and just I wanted to add at least one type of little flower in there. All right, we're gonna go back in with the Milky White, and I do, let me see, yeah, I do 2 coats, because the first coat wasn't milky enough, because I didn't want them covered, you know, too much, but just enough. So yeah, I did end up going in with 2 coats, and then like I said, we do cure that for 60 seconds. And then I will show the second coat just so you can see the difference of, you know, how it covers over the stickers. I just think they came out so cute. I love it with the milky over it. It looks so cute. All right, so now I'm going to take the super top coat from Born Pretty. I love the super top coat. It's a very good top coat. And I'm going to go ahead and top coat. I was thinking of doing them in matte, but I don't know. I think with the Milky White, I wanted to keep it shiny. So, but yeah, I love that shiny super top coat. It's a really good top coat. And then we do cure this for 60 seconds. So I was thinking of just keeping them plain, but I wanted to go in and add some rhinestones. So I have some brownish colored rhinestones. The bigger ones didn't match completely, but I still think they all went together. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the Born Pretty rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to be applying these rhinestones to all the orange nails. I just want to say thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending these products. They're amazing. I love your products. I can't wait to use the cat eyes. I just wanted to use this milky one so bad. I've never done milk bath nails, and you know, they're not exactly milk bath, but you know, my little version, and I think they came out really cute. But yes, thank you so much, and I do have a discount code. I'll leave that down below, and I also have a link you could click on. It will take you right to the Born Pretty website. So yes, thank you again, Born Pretty. I absolutely appreciate it. And this is the finished set here. I think they came out so cute, so pretty. Definitely fall. I love the way the Milky White looks over those stickers. It just, I don't know, it just looks so pretty. I just absolutely love it. And that mat, you guys got to get that mat. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.